Go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the background layer. Convert this layer to a smart object. Go to Filter, Stylize, Wind, Method, Wind, Direction, from the left. If you want to enhance the wind effect, you can do this again. Click on the FX icon and select Blending Options. Deselect the green and blue channel. Select the Move tool. Use the arrow key to move this layer to the right. Select the mask of the Smart filter. Select the Brush tool. And make the foreground color black. You can now remove the wind effect in certain areas, such as the face. And that's how you create this effect.